We just found these new rotisserie chicken Pringles at Meijer, and we gave these a try. So they do taste like chicken. They're pretty savory, not too salty. There's no real bite to them. The ingredients, there's no actual chicken in here. You got potatoes, wheat, salt, vegetable oil. So overall, for $1.29, not a bad deal. I would recommend these spicy chicken Wendy's Pringles over these though. These are like a 4 out of 10, but if you want to try them, go out and try to find them. Pretty unique, so thanks.